Make.com. I continued today to build out the use case for when we need to retrieve multiple pages from an API without knowing the total number of items. So basically, we have a set variable at the beginning of the scenario to set a variable with the URL, the initial URL we're going to call. Then it goes to a repeater, which produces a large amount of bundles, which we kind of want to overshoot potentially, an arbitrarily large amount, so we overshoot the total number of items. Then from there, those bundles that are created get passed to a get variable, which gets the URL from the original variable that we set for the page URL, and then it will also update with the next page URL, as you'll see. So next goes to the HTTP module, the get module, and from there it goes to a set variable where it sets the next page URL to the it sets the variable for the page URL to the next page URL if it is there, and if it's not, it will output stop. And so then basically, I don't know how this works, but somehow each module goes all the way through the scenario before the next one starts running, or something along those lines, where it goes through this new URL from the next page is updated over here, and then this bundle back here gets that as the variable, which then it gives to the HTTP module to send out and get the next page of information, and so on and so forth. And we put a filter between that HTTP module and the get variable module, and if it says stop as the page URL variable, then what will happen is it won't get processed. It will get stopped there at the filter, which means no more will get processed because the URL won't change, because there's no more bundles going through and then they're going through that update variable module. So then all of them won't make it through because they're going to keep getting the variable for the next page URL and it's stop, and the filter doesn't allow stop to get through. From there, we're now just starting to place an iterator, which is going to chop up all the different bundles images into individual images. So, and then create a bundle with each individual image rather than having bundles of like 10 to 15 images per bundle. So that's it for today. Talk to you tomorrow. See ya.